Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Nails. So you saw the unboxing and reviewing of Oh Honey gel tips and the UV lamp and glue gel, this hamper. So in today's video I will show you how to apply them. Okay, so the application process is pretty same for every nail tip. So we are going to use medium square tips for this video. If you love any other shape, you can use that shape as well. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, what things you will need. You will need gel tips, a UV lamp, glue gel, some cotton, a buffer or nail filer, some acetone. If you have isopropyl alcohol, then you can use that as well. But if you don't have that, then you can use alcohol swabs that are available from any chemist shop. You can get them as well for this. Okay, so I'll use isopropyl alcohol for sanitizing. So first of all, what we will start, you have to like remove every product from your nail, and we are going to do it with, and yes, okay, and you also need a cuticle pusher. I forgot to mention that. So we are going to remove every product from our nail. I've already cleaned up my nails, so that will not take a lot of time. You can remove all the polishes, any base coat that you have from the nail. Okay, so it has to be like clean and nice. Okay, then if your nails are not rough, if you have a little shine on your nail, like then you can use a buffer to remove that shine. Use this even out or the buff section of the filer or four-way filer. You use it to remove the shine from your nail if you have a shiny nails, okay, glossy nails like these. So you remove that. If you have normal nails, then you don't need to buff your nails. So mine are like that. I have already buffed them for the process. One more thing, I'm not going to keep these nails on my the natural nails for more than 2 days, so I'm not using primer. But if you are planning to keep the nails on for a very long time, then you will definitely need a primer. So after you have cleaned your natural nails, use this cuticle pusher to push back on the nails. Gently do it, no need to be very harsh. You can also use any liquid cuticle remover as well, like Sally Hansen has. Apply that and it will dissolve all the dead skin and all the cuticles, the additional ones, and you can easily remove it. Okay, so I'm going to do it. My cuticles are already pushed back, so I don't need to do a lot, but I'm just showing it to you for the process. Once you're done, now after this process you have to clean your nails using alcoholic swabs or isopropyl alcohol. I have already done that, so I won't be doing it again. The whole idea is to remove any kind of oil, cream or anything that can come in the way of the nail sticking. Okay, so कोई भी चिकनी फील नहीं होनी चाहिए आपके नेल के ऊपर. It should be very dry and a little slightly rough. Okay, so after this process we will apply, sorry, we won't apply the glue gel. We will first choose our tips. So ये है हमारी tips. We are going to choose the right size. These tips are very lightweight, so it's going to be easy on the nail, not going to make them look burdened or hurt. So let me choose my 5. So how to choose the nail? आपको इसे ऐसे उल्टा रखना है and then you place your nail here, and you have to see if it is wall to wall, like every corner of the nail is being covered, then this is the right shape for you. But if it is like not covering the entire portion, or even a slight portion is left, then you go for the bigger size. It's always better to go for the bigger size because you can file off the additional part of the nail to make sure it is suitable for your the natural nails. Okay, so let's do it. So I have picked up the shapes for my nail. Just to remember कि आपका कौन सा वाला nail size किस nail finger के लिए, you can like put them according to the nails you will use them for. इससे ना आपको थोड़ा सा easy हो जाएगा and to pick it up and use it accordingly. So they are done. Let's start the process. Okay, so before starting this process, आपको आपका UV लैम्प रेडी रखना पड़ेगा. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी ईजी, अदरवाइज एक हाथ में आप नेल लेके बैठे रहोगे एंड देन ट्राइंग टू प्लग इट इन, इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट. आई हैव बिन देयर, आई हैव डन दैट. सो दिस द वायर इज़ प्रिटी लॉन्ग, सो आप इजीली इसको प्लग इन कर सकते हो एंड यू डोंट नीड टू लाइक स्टैंड क्लोज टू द प्लग अनलेस अंटिल यू हैव लाइक समथिंग ऑन द वॉल. सो आप इसको अपना इसे ईजीली रखें एंड insert the cord. It's upside down, you have to remember that. And ये जो है आपका USB cord, इसको आप लैपटॉप में लगा लो, अदरवाइज किसी भी चार्जर में इजीली ये लग जाएगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट इट इन माई लैपटॉप बिकॉज इट्स क्लोजर. सो इसको मैंने अपने लैपटॉप में प्लग इन कर दिया है. एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर इन द लास्ट वीडियो, ये आपका ऑन एंड ऑफ बटन दोनों है. सो यू हैव टू टर्न इट ऑन एंड यू हैव टू टर्न इट ऑफ विद द सेम बटन. आई एम नॉट श्योर अगर इसमें टाइमर है लाइट की उसमें. जस्ट टू बी सेफ यू कीप अ स्टॉप वॉच विद यू if you are using it for the first time. We'll find out if it has a timer or not because we are using it for the first time today. So let's see. ये हमने बिल्कुल रेडी रखा है and it's time for the glue gel. This is very thick. आपको बहुत छोटी सी क्वांटिटी चाहिए होती है अपने नेल के लिए. सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद आवर इंडेक्स फिंगर फर्स्ट. टेक इट and then you apply small quantity over here. Once you're done, spread it according to your nail size. मुझे ये करना थोड़ा easy लगता है. Now close your glue gel and keep it away from the UV lamp. You will place the nail gently अपने क्यूटिकल से अपवर्ड में. ओके, लाइक दिस. क्यूटिकल से अपवर्ड में ऐसे प्रेस करना है आपने. एंड नाउ वी आर रेडी फॉर क्योरिंग इट. इसे ऑन कर लेते हैं एंड देन कीप प्रेसिंग इट so that your nail stays in place. अगर आपका थोड़ा सा ग्लू आपके नेल से बाहर आ जाता है, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ आप उसे बाद में फाइल ऑफ कर सकते हो अगर आपके पास फाइलर है. इफ़ यू आर एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड पर्सन यू कैन यूज़ ड्रिल एज वेल, बट आई विल प्रेफर फाइलर. इट्स सेफर फॉर न्यूबीज लाइक यू एंड मी. Otherwise, try to take a small quantity of the nail glue which is sufficient and not overflow the nail tip with glue. Okay. Oh no. According to the website, you need 30 seconds for the glue to cure and you have to do it on a clear tip. So हमारे it has a timer. Good. So it has a timer. I think it was for 1 minute or 30 seconds, I think. It has a timer for 1 minute. So this is done. Let's do our other nails as well. All these tips are very high quality, very lightweight, and they have a little buffing at the cuticle end, which makes it easy to stick to the nail properly. If you don't have these, you have to make it using a nail buffer, but these have, so it's a good thing. And it is not very thin, but so let me try to focus. Yeah, let me try to focus here. It's not very thin, but it has a sufficient thickness to it, but it's super lightweight. We are done with 3 fingers and left with 2 more. One more thing about the glue is very thick, and it's quite like a gel nail polish, a base coat nail polish. So it's easy to apply. You need a very small quantity of it for doing your for sticking the nails, and the quantity is nice. 15 ml is a good quantity for a gel polish. For I think rupees 650 is pretty low as compared to high-end gel glues. So it's a nice quantity and it's a good thing. Another thing is it does not sting. It does not heat up very much while applying on the nail. Many gel nail polishes do, they heat a lot and they cause a little burning sensation, very slight tingling on the nail, but I did not notice any such thing on my nail. It was very basic and it was very easy to apply as well. And you need about 1 or 2 minutes for it to cure properly under UV LED lamp according to this packaging. But I think 60 seconds is more than enough for you to cure your nails. 60 seconds is more than enough. It's so we are done with our nail. If you want to shorten them up, you can do that as well. Just cut it with a tip cutter. If you don't want to do that, you can file it with a nail filer as well. They need a very slight filing over here and they are ready to be used. So let your creative juices flow and do whatever nail art you want over these. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you really liked it and you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about these tips, or if you have any questions about any of these products, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be posting more, so do watch them, do subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching. All the links are mentioned in the description for all these products, so you can check them out as well. So have a great day. Bye.